Spain may have built a reputation as a holiday destination, but the country is also one of Europe's renewable energy leaders. The Spanish company Trama Tecnoambiental is now exporting that expertise across the globe, with a key focus on remote areas of Africa. Mombu, Chad, with a population of 500, never had electricity. But that changed last year with the building of a localized solar plant. The installation of some 170 solar panels, as well as a battery, ensures the village now has electricity 24 hours a day.
It's amazing how quickly people that have had very limited experience to electricity, how quickly they recognize the potential of having it in a village. They think right away of having a water pump to pump water for irrigation. Their diet was essentially based on meat from their herds. We installed a couple of pumps, they started to grow vegetables, and it had a big impact.
The local economy grew significantly, hygiene improved, and shops could stock fresh produce. But there were some complications.
We are even seeing other induced problems, which is that small village that now has electricity starts to get overcrowded because nearby villages that don't get the electricity start to move to the village, and the village starts to grow very quickly without proper planning.
The energy plant can be installed in isolated jungle areas, as well as remote islands. The task of transporting the equipment requires significant logistical effort. As world leaders search for answers in order to lower carbon emissions and reverse climate change, these kind of projects demonstrate a possible way forward. But whether the developed world will be as keen to embrace such initiatives remains to be seen. Professor Joan Ramon Moronte of the Catalonia Institute for Energy Research believes localized renewable energy systems will play a major role in the future.
To use renewable distributed generation systems can help in the process to diminish the CO2 emissions. People need to take into account that today some countries like India or many countries in Africa still with a lot of areas not industrial developed can contribute in the next future to increase the emissions of CO2.
In the meantime, there are now villages in Africa that are reaping the benefits of not just having electricity, but clean energy. Dan Williams, CCTV, Barcelona.